I'm Chef Sophia.
I'm Chef Larry.
I'm Chef Jordan, and today we're making pancakes.
I chose maple bacon pancakes to combine sweet with salty with savory. And who doesn't love cheesecake? I'm gonna start with my pancake batter in a low heat pan. I'm gonna sprinkle some of my bacon in. I'm just gonna cook this until the bubbles start to surface and I'll flip it. Let's get stacking. I'm gonna start with my maple bacon pancakes, my cheesecake filling, my quartered strawberries, our prettiest one on top. A little dollop, my maple bacon, the strawberries, some bacon bits. I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of powdered sugar. I can't wait to try it.
I'm gonna do a cheddar and scallion pancake, top it with a Cajun cream sauce and crispy shrimp. Let's dive into it. I'm gonna start off with the batter. Just a simple pancake batter here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cheddar and my scallions on this side here. I'm gonna commit to flipping it. Let's go ahead and build a plate. Once we have our pancakes stacked up nicely, we're gonna pick out our shrimp. I'm gonna pour my Cajun cream sauce. Then I'm gonna take my jalapeno and bacon jam and put that right on top. The Baltimore boy in me right now is extremely happy.
I basically wanted a pastry chef-driven pancake that is more of a plated dessert than pancake breakfast. So we're gonna start by cooking up some pancakes. These are starting to look pretty good. Let's see if we can get a flip. Pancakes are ready. Let's plate it up. We're gonna start by putting just a little of the lemon custard on the plate. Pancakes go on. Now we take our custard again with our rose petal tip, some blackberries, a little bit of olive oil caramel, extra blackberry sauce, candied almonds, and then just the prettiest little mint sprig. Voila!
I made maple bacon pancakes. And they go over here. They have maple bacon in it. They have cream cheese filling in the middle, maple bacon on top.
Let's please taste it. Here we go.
Say that.
Oh my gosh.
So much for
this
ladies
is so
first.
Cute. Oh my God, wait, he's tasting it. I can't get the strawberry. Get out of here.
A carnival of flavor. I'm loving the saltiness of the bacon combined with the sweetness of the cream cheese filling. I loved it.
That's delicious, thank you. You guys ready to try mine?
Yeah, bring it out.
Larry, what do we have?
I got a cheddar and scallion pancake topped with some shrimp and grits. Look at my presentation, just destroyed.
Get out of here.
Oh my God.
Ouch, stop elbowing me.
That shrimp is so good. Wow.
It's really not pancakes, but
No.
it's amazing.
Why is it not pancake? Because it's not sweet. Pancakes don't have to be sweet.
I'm in love with this dish.
No, it's really good.
So good.
Thank you. What are we eating?
Lemon pie pancakes.
Oh, lemon pie.
I love lemon pie.
Ricotta pancake,
Oh.
candied almonds. It's all in there.
That is amazing. So well balanced.
No, it's good. That crunch, it needed that crunch.
That's so well balanced. Pancakes are nice, light, creamy. I mean, this is exactly how I want my dessert.
Guys, great job. That was really fun.
I think we did an excellent job with pancakes.
Yeah, you guys did a great job. I'm so full and I can't wait to see what we do next time.
Yeah. See you guys next time.
Bye.